nigo okubolia kwa berugo kuruyo gochiase abagambi nabo igo abaiboli kwenekia bunankubwatirana bale ne serikali asokorwania amariogo yogotindia ayo arokanire kagusaria ekegoli kya basaya bake Kaukwana na Ndizi TV o moteneri wekanisi ya PAG ya Nyangori eyegotoka ime constituency ya Kitutu Masabati Kinyani boigo ni ganyale ko bakubolia abaiboli baire getambukero kweneke bana banyale ko bakwena na chisemi ochia ase abana babo bunenchira yoko basira anenase obogima bogocha nigo boigo abaire gakugikeria chisegi chegenkana kugania okubwatirana kweneke wa herio koreta omurembe na boigo obotoero muri ko ase county Nyamira Pokara na Mange
Gokona na Ndizi TV murandi yo asereta Timothy Kayani wikanisa Nyangori PAG iyo gotokeme yabo getutu bo masaba nigagenda ko bagakubasegeta abasaya gukiniwa ase tingege kero chingia indukira bakonya samatuko ankyo murandi yo niga ichanire nchira abasaba bange bagendera ko bakubetanya munamo lyogo yo gotindia chimbo chimbe egentaganira barayi anene bali bechikanisa bagambya munabo bali kubwatrana elyo gukora chimbo chinabo gasase getere abana kwegwa chisemi.
Our children, our youth have indulged in drugs, bang, and even most of them, especially in the area that I'm ministering, don't even go to school. And that is a very major thing that the government is supposed to look into, and the administration of the area should go into every homestead and make sure that our children go to school so that they can broaden and diverse their minds in so many areas of this life. Youths are a great, they are actually a great investment the government and the families are putting. We are given children by God to bless our children and the children to be a blessing to us.
Orandi uyu boigo igo aganiria abasaye kwebwatanya mune chimbo chiri chingia elyo gukina buyase boiga burya bebori gotaba ningora abasaye babo igenduke kwirira abasabo kwirana na kwebwatanya muna maryoga yo yogotindia.
Youth have been left completely and they are standing on their own, and we need to come in as a family, bring together the youth, talk to these youth, show them the right way. We don't only have to quarrel them, but we have to teach the youth on the right manner of their life today.
Nigo boiga ichanire chisegi chegenga entukorengana monere kyagenda ko bagiguturwa ni chiamato chinyinge na kugendera gokigikiria na kubolia baraibande kubatranira gukora chisegi echo chegenga.
Even in families we have gender-based violence in families because they were not taught, and those families that were not taught need to come back, and we call upon them. And I underline, we call upon them to come to the Lord and get to know what is supposed to be done.
No maelioye obona bo basemi bwayo murandi yugo chasegasaku ekyomo Gusii nensenkima.
Now, I would give a solution to all this, and my solution is not withstanding. My solution is we must be right. We must listen to what God is saying. And when we listen to what God is saying, whoever is listening to this, whoever is seeing me, you will be right and God will give you.
Gingo ripoti rigitaseni kia wanjete kia Ndizi TV. Nchego nguru kwa Polycarp. Okara.